a petrol pump. See this is called Philip and Brothers. Siapa pun sini silchar kamu siapa? Deling kamu siapa? Mati ya. Mes speed? Ya.
Abang ada silchar.
Silchar siapa ke outdoor meski. Finally we are in the hotel now. And this speed. Hello. Need to book the room and we come here. See, wow, this is our room. Agak room pe, we come in the room now. See this Carlos Khongla and this is called Delingson. This is my bathroom. Now I'm taking bath, and this all the gang bang are finished to taking bath. Only me not finished. Now I'm taking bath in the room. And now we go shopping. What we'll buy, I don't know, but I don't have money today. Then this fellow is richest fellow. Finish the bath, but no oil, man, bro. How will do today? See, our room is small room. See this fellow, all they see larki, they see for girls. Where are Juan? Let's go. We are finally in this park now. See? Wow, I love silchar. That fellow climbing the big mountain. Climb, bro, climb.
Kamu kan kalau school deh tu lah. This fellow still struggling.
Come for shoppings. Finally. Finally at the big bazaar. We go and buy the shoes. See that fellow. In box, see this one good, and this one the fellow, see this one new he buy and he put this fellow mad fellow. Yeah. Finally we come to the room now and time to sleep for us, and tomorrow we'll see again. We go home and everybody see this my gang bang.
Hi guys, how are you?
Yang
Namaskar.
More and the fellow.
They're going to sleep now.
That fellow speed bro and this Carlos bro.
Good night.
April bro. Good night everyone.
Good night.
Please like and share and subscribe our channel bro. Everybody.